First of all, let's see how to turn off our Apple Watch. All you have to need, long press this button here and tap on this power option, and then just swipe this button to the right side and your Apple Watch will be turned off. Here's another way to do it. Just press the crown, open settings. In settings, you have to tap on general. Under general settings, scroll down and tap on shutdown, and here tap on this power button and just slide this to turn off your Apple Watch. Now let's see how to restart our Apple Watch. To restart Apple Watch, you have to press and hold down these two buttons at the same time. Let's do it. Don't release your finger until you see your Apple logo on your watch. Don't release your fingers. And once you see the Apple logo on your screen, now you can easily release your finger and your Apple Watch will restart in few seconds. And that's how we can restart our Apple Watch. Now let's see how to reset our Apple Watch. To reset Apple Watch, press the crown to go to your app library, open settings. Under settings, scroll down and tap on general. Under general settings, scroll down and here tap on reset. And now just tap on erase all content and settings. And here you can read this text and then just tap on erase all, and that's how you will be able to reset our Apple Watch. That's it.